Dude, you guys hear that? Fucking rattlesnake. Oh. All right, welcome back everybody. We have another peak hike for you today. Today we are doing Sitton Peak. This is over here in Orange County off of Ortega Highway. So we're like right here at the entrance. Trailhead is right here at the base of the Ortega Oaks candy store. Here's what the entrance of the trailhead looks like. And it'll say Bear Canyon Trailhead, Cleveland National Forest. You want to start going that way for this hike. To park, there's some parking right across the street over here. You do need to purchase an adventure pass, and they are sold here at this candy store. So Sitton Peak, it's going to take you about 4 hours. It's a 10-mile round trip. There's about 2,000 feet of elevation gain. It's probably best to do this hike during the fall through the spring, because in the summer months it can get very, very hot. If you are hiking during the summer months, just be sure to bring plenty of water and plenty of sun protection to keep yourself safe on this trail. As always on these desert hikes in California, you want to make sure to look out for rattlesnakes and, very rare, but there are mountain lions. This is super nice, like the mustard on the sides. Really beautiful. Oh, look at that, even more. So nice. The thing I like about this trail is that it's not crazy difficult, but it is a step up from your just normal local hike, and it gives you that satisfaction of reaching a peak. So I hope you guys enjoy this hike. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get to it. So this is a pretty easy intersection, but just in case, but see the sign, hang it right. So this is another crossing you're going to come up to. Sitton Peak, you're going to hang a right. To the left, that is Morgan Trail, and Sitton Peak is another 4 miles from here. Let's keep going. Okay, so we've arrived at our next junction right here. So we want to go to the Four Corners, because the Four Corners will take us to the Sitton Peak. So for that, you're going to hang a right. Four Corners. Nicely marked here. Four Corners, so you can see. So this is the Four Corners. To the right, you'll follow that up, and that'll take you to the peak. Dude, you guys hear that? Fucking rattlesnake. Oh, holy shit. Oh my god. Oh, holy fuck. Oh man. Oh, I was 100% paying attention, but he was just blended in so well with the environment. I didn't even see him, and I just heard him and jumped out of the way. Woo! He was giant. That was intense, guys. Wow. Be careful. So you'll see this, I don't know, truck bed, jacuzzi thing. And then either way will lead to Sitton Peak. I've taken this route, and it's either way it's the same. We're going up, so you'll come across some more marked signs, and we're gonna go to Sitton Peak that way. I think this is it. Right up there. Woo! Nice. Nice sign. What a view. Gorgeous. And there's a little box in here, and I think you can sign your name or something. Yeah, if you want to sign your name, you can put your name down in there. I wonder if we can find my name from years ago. Probably not. Ooh, is that a pipe? So you got batteries, that's a good thing to leave. I'm so ready for some ice cold coconut water. This is my treat for making it here. Oh, that's so good. Perfect. Those are so dangerous, you guys. Because they don't control their venom. They'll just get right at you. Yeah, you really don't want to mess with baby rattlesnakes. Wow, but look how beautiful it is. Just slithering away. Do you see all those like moving things right there? Those are all bees. Wow. Super close to the end. Oh man, it was very hot. There wasn't much to see on the way down, so as you're heading back down, just follow the same way you came back up. I wanted to mention one time I did this hike during the full moon, and there were spider webs everywhere. It was a good experience, but if you're coming during the full moon, bring a stick or something so you can knock down those spider webs, because they're impossible to avoid. Yeah, going midday was kind of crazy, but we were able to see just so many cool critters. I'm ready to get down, get some water, and relax. So thank you guys for joining me on today's hike. Make sure you sign out on the way out so they don't come looking for you. And until next time, you guys take care. We'll see you soon. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye now. Real slippery here. Definitely gonna want some shoes with grip. Shit. See what I mean? Woo! Yeah, no tennis shoes here, guys.